Alessi, I think I have the hiccups. Do you have the hiccups? When she hiccuped, she farted.
David. Oh, put the blanket on the baby.
You're my baby.
What did you get? You got a new outfit?
Oh, Kinley. Gorgeous. No, she has. Wow. Pretty. They're twins.
She wants her to come somewhere.
You want to go with her? She wants you to sit next to her for a picture. Twins! Where's the broom? Where'd the broom go? Hey, you don't like the broom?
No.
Why? You don't like to clean? Oh, broom! Where's the broom? Oh, I found it! Here it is. Can you help me? Hold it. Hold it. I have to teach you to clean, Alessi. You have to be a good cleaner one day. Here you go. Touch the broom. Wow. Good. There we go. Hold it. There we go. Where did your other baby go? Oh, no.
She ran away
Did she run away?
over there. Let's go.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna check.
No, I have it, Kinley. I think her other baby's in here. Check. Say, baby, where are you?
Baby, where are you? Look at myself wet.
What?
I don't know myself wet.
No, because then you can't wear that again.
I actually can't find the baby.
It's not in there? Really?
I think, yeah, it's not on there.
Oh, no. This is not good.
Alessi, where is the kid?
Your baby's missing.
Oh no, yeah, this is not good. Mama actually, her baby's actually missing.
Really? Uh-oh. Is it in there?
I think she was putting
No,
it
I
in.
think it's in that room.
Okay.
Okay, Sissy's gonna find your baby. It's the missing baby, huh? And then we have the missing Mandalorian.
Yeah, but I missed Baby Yoda.
Aw.
Wait.
Alessi can be Baby Yoda. Do you want to be
My
Baby?
tap, put his arm so it's covering
Alright, then
me.
don't.
But I'm gonna do this way.
I'll cover you. Your baby is gone, Alessi.
Yay.
We can't find your baby anywhere. Did somebody turn in a doll? Yeah, but you gotta take that off, okay? You look so handsome, but those are Dad's. You're gonna hurt your eyes. Here,
I look like Grandma.
you look like Grandma.
Mom,
Better take them off.
Mama, don't make my hair like this.
I could fix it. I was trying to
Mom, I have a new baby now.
What's his name?
David. David.
I think he just likes you because he's licking chocolate off your face. What do you think?
Yes. Oh.
Is he heavy? Who's heavier, David or Alessi?
David.
Again.
Dad.
Again for him. What did you do?
First, save it.
And how is it gonna come off?
Save it up.
You're gonna shave it off. No, honey, you can't do that. Okay.
Daddy. See, I'm bad.
I think she's very scared of you, hon.
Why?
Let me see. how does your face feel now? Refreshed?
No.
Feels a little sticky? Oh, are you happy he's back?
He's back in business.
He's back in business. Now she's not scared of you.
Kiss the face.
You have a little bit left on your neck.
What?
No, I got it. He's all clean now.
Look.
Look at him. What? Oh, now you gotta be scared of mommy.
Mama?
It's on my shirt.
That's Mama. No, it isn't. This is your new Mama. And this is your new dad. Mama wants to eat shaving cream.
No, she can't eat anything like that. All done, yeah. No more shaving cream. All done.
Let's go. Come on.
Why did he do that?
Nana.
Why did he do that?
Nana? Mom, you
Was he trying to
Mom,
shave?
you hold Nana.
I know. I think tell him no.
Let's go. And let's get the
Wait, look.
below. Yeah, but then he cleaned it off.
He cleaned it off.
Oh.
He has more on his eye, right?
Yeah.
He's so handsome. He's all clean. Look at him.
Let's go.
He's our handsome brother. Oh. Who's holding you?
Mama.
That's your mama? What?
Nana. She said Nana.
Who's holding you? Who's that girl? Who's that?
Mama.
Are you silly?
Silly baby. So I'm going to have to hold you my rest of my life? Because I'm Mama? Yeah.
That's
That's
Case.
not fair.
Oh, she wants to hug Case now. Oh, Case wants to play patty cake with you.
Who got the cake?
Do you want to play patty cake with Case? That's
Patty
good.
cake, patty
Cake baker's man.
Roll it, pat it, put it in the oven for like it with a beef, put it in the...
Who is that, Alessi?
Mama.
Mama, and who's that?
Dada.
Wow!
There you go, Case.
Wow, do you love them?
Good.
She knows that you guys are playing pretend. That's so cute.
Good job.
Good job.
Patty cake, put it in the oven. Dad, I know that trick. I can't fall.
Can you do a picky?
Hey, let's do it. Here. You know how to do
Here,
that.
okay, so
Fumble, now pinky word.
1, 2, 3, 4, I declare
Play
it's
fumble.
on
2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6.
Case, get up.
8. Try to keep your thumb straight.
Okay.
8.
Yeah, keep your finger there. You're pulling away. Case,
Still okay.
Case, get off, buddy. Case, don't touch it.
Yeah. Get.
Uh,
I'm gonna do an arm wrestle. I want to do a video on my phone. 3, 2, 1, go.
oh, Brady's strong.
Wait, sit where Brady's sitting for.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, don't break his hand here.
I will break his hand. 3, 2, 1, go. You're not trying.
You're not trying.
Yes, I am. Look, I'm just moving. Chase, you can't do that.
That was really good though, Brady.
1, 2, 3, go.
2 hands.
Dad, watch me dunk this. Dad, watch me dunk this.
That's it. Wow, don't break it though.
Yeah, do whatever.